Introducing Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine and Optimum Interior Cleaner, your complete car care solution for both the exterior and the interior. Start with O&R, the original rinseless wash trusted by professionals and enthusiasts worldwide. Just 1 or 2 gallons of water is all you'll need to clean your entire car. No rinsing required. Its advanced formula encapsulates the dirt, protecting your paint as you wash, leaving behind a streak-free, glossy finish in just one easy step. And then when it's time to clean the interior, reach for Optimum Interior Cleaner. This advanced formula is safe for all interior surfaces, including leather, vinyl, plastic, and trim. But it's not for use on info screens or entertainment clusters. For those, O&R is the perfect solution. The interior cleaner's polymers trap and lift dirt, making it easy to wipe away dust, greasy residues, and fingerprints without damaging or discoloring surfaces. Here's how. You vacuum first, then spray a light mist of interior cleaner onto the surface. Use an Optimum microfiber towel to wipe away the contaminants. For stubborn stains, just repeat this process. After cleaning, follow with Optimum Interior Protectant to restore surfaces and add UV protection. Together, O&R and Interior Cleaner provide the ultimate cleaning power inside and out, keeping your car looking its best with minimal water, no harsh chemicals, and professional results every time. Complete your car care routine with Optimum, the trusted name in automotive detailing.